Okay, am I audible? Okay, so this is our first class of JavaScript, and really we are going to learn one of the most amazing programming language of this world, that is JavaScript. So one of the most obvious questions comes in our mind, that why we should learn JavaScript. So there are lots of reasons to learn JavaScript, but I have selected some of the most important reason. And the first reason is Stack Overflow Survey 2019. According to Stack Overflow 2019 survey, JavaScript is the most popular technology among all the technology. You can see here. You can see at the screen, or you can go with Stack Overflow. You can Google it, and you will find that JavaScript is the most popular technology among all the technologies. This is the first reason that why we should learn JavaScript. I hope you got it. The second reason is earning salary. So this is the universal truth that after learning you should do earning. So according to Glassdoor, the average salary of JavaScript developer is 900K per year, and I think it's enough and huge. So this is the second reason that why you should learn JavaScript. Now, what's the reason behind the popularity of JavaScript? There are lots of technology which is related to JavaScript. That's why JavaScript reached to the another level. The first technology is Node.js, which is related to JavaScript. Second one is Angular, which is also related to JavaScript, React, Electron.js, Ionic. These all technology are related to JavaScript. So with Node.js,